Lakes in the Genesee Valley. KHA53 operates on a frequency of 162.40 MHz. Wind advisory statement for counties in New York, Genesee, Orleans, and Wyoming. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thursday. What? West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? Orleans, Genesee, Wyoming, and Cattaraugus counties. When? From 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thursday. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Wind advisory statement for County, Northern Cayuga, New York.